So, are we ready? Are we ready? Let's get into this. This is the March Ice Cream Beauty Box. And oh, yes. Let's get into this. Are we ready? I took out all of the packing peanuts. So, yeah. The reason is because I have a mayor. And if I don't do it when I'm thinking about it, I will forget. And then have to fish them out of mayor's mouth. We don't want to do that anymore. So, and he does, if you don't know, he is present for every video that we do. So we're going to do a sneak peeky. A sneak peeky? Yes, a sneak peeky. So, the box is entitled Beauty in Art. This is the card that comes with it. I love that I get a card with this. And inside the box, it says the best things in life are sweet. So let's dig into this and see. The first thing we're going to pull out and talk about is the stained glass palette from Clarity Cosmetics. I think this is absolutely a beautiful palette. You've got 2 mattes, 4 shimmers. I'm not swatching them because it's a pressed pigment palette. That's not why I'm not swatching them. But at this point in time, I'm going to put it to the side and put it in the giveaway pile. Also came with a green glitter. And I took my glasses off, and I don't know why I did that. It's a duochrome loose pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics. This is, you can kind of see the shift. This is definitely going in a giveaway. There are some things that I will own up to. I have a smudge on my glasses. It's going to bug me. There are some things that are just a definite that are not staying here. Okay, this is made by Zisa or ZC words. It's a liquid eyeshadow. ZC appears to be I can't tell. It appears to be Chinese. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to that. I'm not familiar with the company. But got a nice little cool applicator. I am not swatching it because for the moment, it's going in the giveaway box. Now, you may ask me why I'm saying for the moment. Because between now and giveaway time, I may switch it out. Because that may happen. Probably won't, but, you know. It is. Everything in life is subject to change. The coolest thing that I think and is the Artistic Palette by Blue Base and Meat. This is the Artistic Eyeshadow Palette. I just think this is the coolest thing ever. I have never seen a palette like this. Not saying that it doesn't exist. I just never have. This is the outside container. This is the front, or the actual makeup, and this is the palette that, and it is the most, it's just the bottom part of her face, and I think that's just the coolest thing ever. And for now, it's going to be in the giveaway box. As a collector, it's tempting to keep it, but I just think that we're going to give it away. I hope I put all of the things back in the box, because, yeah. Okay, now, I ordered, I'm not sure which one actually came with my box, what color. I ordered, and getting these out is really hard. I ordered 3 other colors. Let's see, we did. It's a dual-ended duochrome gloss lipstick by Charmacy Global. I'm not sure which one would have actually come with my box, but I ordered, I got 4 total. So this is the lipstick, liquid lip, obviously. This is the lip gloss. And I bought them to go in the giveaway. And I've had the hardest time opening them. So if you get them, they've not been used. I think this is gorgeous. I'm sorry, my hands are shaky today. I did it. That's a peachy tone. And this has a doe foot applicator with that little scoop in the middle. Yeah. And it's very exact. And you've seen what I've done with it. Is just pull it out, and that's your lip gloss. Uh-oh, I forgot which ones I opened already. So we may open the same one twice. And this is another one. It's close to the same color as the one that I just opened, but the gloss is different. And it's a darker. See, we did one. We have 1, 6. I'm trying to get my itty-bitty thoughts together, and it's not working. Well, 1 and 6 and 3 are those shades that I ordered. And I'm telling you, these boxes are a booger to open. So if you get the box and it looks some kind of way, it's because I tried to open it and show it to you. This one, I love this color. I love this color. So I would almost swatch this one. I love the concept. And I think that's all of them. So that is this month's ice cream box. Tell me what you think. For me, even with the add-ons that I bought, more than what I paid for it, and what came to me, more than, even if I gave away everything in this box, it'd be worth my money to have gotten this box this month. I absolutely have enjoyed immensely getting these boxes. They are mostly indie brand. They're indie brands, and I like it really big much. So that's the Ice Cream Beauty Box for March. Have a great day. Remember, I am the mayor's daughter. We will see you in the next video. Bye. It would help to turn off the camera.